Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, this is our day 4 dito sa California, dito sa Los Angeles guys, sa US. For today's video, nakita nyo, we are heading to another attraction for today's video. What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
Either Hindu or no, it was the same temple, it's say Sikh. Yeah, it's the Hindu temple.
You need to wear below the knee and not show the leg because you will get deep ice
Hindu is the same as Bali.
Huh?
Bali's Hindu.
She don't ask me if we have an entrance here. What? Looks like our church here. Okay, we're early.
Good work.
Tumo tayo sa US nakita. Last time we've seen each other was probably when? 2010?
Is that Hong Kong or still back in Manila?
Manila, I think yun.
Oh, business centre's this one.
Oo nga, dito pa tayo nagkita guys. Akala ko talaga ikaw yun. She was my dorm mate, my schoolmate, my classmate.
Welcome to BAPS Shri Swaminarayan Mandir. Chino Hills is a traditional Hindu temple built from Rajasthan sandstone, with an exhibition area, open since 2012.
Our cameraman is Princess.
Ikaw lang. Ayaw.
The BAPS Shri Swaminarayan Mandir in Chino Hills is a beautifully crafted Hindu temple that serves as a spiritual center and cultural landmark for the local community and visitors alike. As part of the global BAPS, Wasi Akshar Purushottam Swaminarayan Sanstha organization, this mandir is dedicated to the teachings of Lord Swaminarayan and is designed in a traditional architectural style that emphasizes intricate carvings and detailed ornamentation. Family-friendly, the temple is designed to be inclusive, providing a welcoming space for families, individuals, and tourists who wish to experience its rich cultural heritage. Visitor amenities, facilities and guided tours help visitors understand the history and significance of the mandir while enjoying a serene ambience. Exquisite architecture is traditional design. The mandir showcases classic Hindu temple architecture, featuring detailed stone carvings, ornamental pillars, and elegant spires. Artistic detailing, every element, from the facade to the inner sanctum, reflects meticulous craftsmanship that honors centuries-old traditions.
Real quick bang. Indonesia.
Oh, I was about to take my shoes off. Bawal zapatos. Yes! No, that's only inside. Yeah, out here's fine.
I seen on Google that there's people just like
And then we go around and then we go
Dami retrato.
Not too crowded yet.
Cultural and Educational Hub Community Center. Beyond its role as a place of worship, the Mandir serves as a venue for cultural programs, religious discourses, and community gatherings. Educational initiatives. Visitors can learn about the Swaminarayan faith, Hindu traditions, and the significance of temple rituals through workshops and guided tours.
next time you guys coming to California, you guys can stay at home. We rarely get visitors in my home.
Oh.
Although it's kind of further in LA.
Yeah, we only stayed where we are because it was like halfway between.
Want to talaga yun.
Ay, ano yun? Isa pa. Ang cute! Kaya naman ganito.
Spiritual atmosphere. Sacred space. The Mandir offers a peaceful environment for prayer, meditation, and spiritual reflection, welcoming devotees and visitors of all backgrounds. Religious ceremonies, regular rituals, prayer services, and cultural events are held, fostering a strong sense of community and spiritual connection. The BAPS Shri Swaminarayan Mandir, Chino Hills is not just an architectural masterpiece but also a vibrant center of spirituality and community. Whether you are seeking a place for quiet meditation, looking to immerse yourself in cultural traditions, or simply admire the beauty of traditional temple design, this Mandir offers an enriching experience that highlights the deep cultural and spiritual heritage of the Swaminarayan faith. Immerse yourself in a journey of art, devotion, and tradition at this sacred landmark in Chino Hills.
So, that's it guys! That's our BAPS Swaminarayan Mandir Hindu Temple dito sa California guys, sa Los Angeles. So, yan, nakita nyo ang BAPS Swaminarayan Mandir Hindu Temple siya. Dito siya guys. So, yes, it's very fascinating, very interesting guys. It's a Hindu temple guys. And you will think, why kami nandito sa Hindu temple? Aside from attraction siya dito guys, it's free lang. No need to pay to entry, guys. Once you go inside, you don't need to pay anything. So plus we will meet my colleagues, my roommate, my dorm mates before in college, and colleagues ko siya, guys. So yeah, so it's been a while. I reckon it's already 13 years. So, it's been a while na, guys. So, yeah. So, dito na rin siya asawa na, guys. Then, and yeah, nagkapamilya. And then, yes guys, so nakita nyo kanina, hindi ko siya masyadong hindi ako masyadong nag-video, guys, for today's video sa ating vlog. But, I have a glimpse and clips of the Hindu temple na nakita nyo kanina, guys. You can see, it's very amazing, guys, ha. Ang laki ng loto nilang, guys. And of course, it's a Hindu temple as well. So, may kita nyo, aside from architectural, structural, guys, it's an architectural gem. Nakita nyo, it's very, exquisite architectural design. There's a lot of stones around. There's a stunning temple. Nakita niya, it's very good at night also as well. So, nakita niyo dito, guys, yung Hindu temple. So, makita niyo, it's 39 to 40 minutes drive from our accommodation, which is in Downey, in the suburbans. And nandito nga kami, dito kami nag-meet ups kasi it's halfway sa kanila, sa area nila, and then halfway din sa Downey na pinag-i-stayan namin ni Jax. So anyhow, nakita, yes, it's a good productive day for us. Quiet, slow lang tayo, guys. Nag-walking tayo around. Nakita niyo, it's family friendly. There's also a hub. You can learn about the environmental, about the temple itself inside. There's also a exhibit inside. So no fee. Yeah, there's also a sacred place when you need to pray for the about the religion, the Hindu, guys. So anyhow, it's very interesting and highly recommend if you want to visit or to see about the Hindu temple, kung anong gusto niyo makita sa loob. Maganda yung design nila, guys. Very ancestral yung mga datingan, yung mga sandstones nila na nasa loob. And yes, it's a good day trip attraction if you will be out in the city of Los Angeles, dito sa California. Yes, guys. So, afterwards, na namin na-visit sa Hindu temple, we are heading to another cinema also nearby. And then, yeah, we watched some John Wick movie. Yeah. So, ayun na nga, guys. It's a good day for us kasi matagal ko na rin siyang hindi nakita. Si Princess. Aww. So, yeah, her name is Princess Erin. I call her Princess Erin. So, anyhow, yeah, roommate ko siya nung college days namin. So, yes, guys, yun na nga. So, maybe in the future, you will see her sa aking vlog. So, anyhow, guys, ayun na nga, highly recommended if you are heading to another Hindu temple dito sa Los Angeles, sa California. They also have a branches in different states dito sa America, which is in the US. So, yun na nga, guys, is the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video, and mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa. See you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah, tiala.